Exercise 12.1 Problem 14 Discussion. 3 dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting the same number on all the 3 dice. It's an interesting problem. 3 dice are thrown. Okay, and we are asked to find the probability of getting same number on all the 3 dice. The first die can give 6 outcomes, 6 possible outcomes. Second die also can give you 6 possible outcomes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. It can be one of these things. Third die also can give us 6 possible outcomes. So when all 3 are thrown together, the number of outcomes will be 6 into 6 into 6. That is 216 outcomes are possible. Now, we have to find how many possible in how many ways will you get the same number. So what is the possibility? All 3 showing 1, 1, 1, or 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 6, 6, 6. So how many possibilities are there? We have 6 possible ways of getting the same number on all the 3. So probability of that event is 6 divided by 216, which is a sample space. So that is 1 by 36. You got it? Let's do it. What's given? 3 dice is thrown simultaneously. We are asked to find probability of getting the same number on all the 3 dice. It can be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, etc., etc., up to 6, 6, 6. Probability of an event is n of a divided by n of s. List the sample space for throwing 3 dice and find n of s. Let A be the event of getting the same number on all the 3 dice. This is the first step is very important. Okay, basically all possible outcomes we list it out and then find n of s. Okay, the second step we are defining the event A of getting the same number. Then from the sample space we know which outcomes satisfy our condition. Okay, from which you can find out the elements of set A and find n of A. Once you have this, probability of event A is n of A divided by n of s. These are the standard 4 steps for all the problems. But key is to find the sample space in this case. Okay. So now let's go into the solution. In throwing 3 dice, the possible outcomes are 1, 1. Okay. Fix this 1, 1. Right. And the third die can become 1. Or it will be 2, or it will be 3, it goes up to 6. Then what you have to do, 1 and change this to 2. And again repeat the third type of number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that if you keep on doing, finally you will reach 6, 6, 6. Or you don't need to do all those things. First die, number of outcomes is 6, number of possible ways. Second die, the number of possible ways is 6 because it's got 6 numbers, right? It can give you 1 to 6. So either one of it can give. So there are 6 possible outcomes. Third die is also you have 6 possible outcomes. So all put together, when they're all thrown together, 6 into 6 into 6, 216 possible outcomes are there. Okay? So 216 possible outcomes are there. So this is enough. N of s is there. Now, let A be the event of the same number, of getting the same number on all the 3 dice. So when will that happen? How many A's are there? So how many elements are there for A? It can be 1, 1, 1. First die giving you 1, second die giving you 1, third die giving you 1. And or it can be all 3 giving you 2, or it can be all giving 3, or all of them giving 4, or all of them giving 5, or all of them giving 6. So 6 possible ways are there for getting the same number, right? So that means n of a equal to 6. We know n of s is 216, n of a is 6. So which means probability of a is n of a divided by n of s, that is equal to 6 by 2 and 6, that is equal to 1 by 36. Right? So though it looks complicated, when we are doing it, it becomes little easy. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through the solution one more time. I'll try to change this method in my second version. Little later, I'll make it a little more easier. Anyway, I think if you go through one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.